Alright YouTube, welcome back, and today, I guess kind of exciting, I'm going to be changing our channel icon. So I am going to be rendering my avatar and making that our channel icon. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm gonna start with just a load character. So you go type my user, load 8, there we go. So we have this right here is my avatar, as you guys can see. It looks pretty good. Alright, so I opened up my lighting setup right here. I'm just going to remove this rig because obviously this is not gonna work. So alright, so here is the character model. I'm gonna go into render view. As you guys can see, I'm gonna take off those background elements. Okay, so right here, this jacket, it's missing the texture. So alright, so here is the jacket texture I just added, as you guys can see. So we don't want too much metallic. Let's increase the roughness here. The specular, not too much either. This is what I have so far. I do think this hat needs to be changed, modified a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. I think that looks far better, actually. Okay, so this is what I have. I think it looks pretty cool. Let's go into the camera and let's set up our shot into something like this. I think it looks decent. Oops. Okay. So I think right here should be fine. I kind of like that. Right, and there we go. Let's go up to render and let's hit render image right here. Right, so here is the model. As for the background, I think I'm just going to put a sky, most likely. I think this is the classic Roblox sky anyways, so I'm just gonna use this, place this right here. As you can see, I think it looks decent, it looks fine. I don't really have any complaints. But okay, I'm just gonna copy. Let's go into camera raw filter right here so we can adjust some values and make the character to look a lot better. So basic, let's increase the texture and the clarity right here for more definition. Let's mess with these values a little bit to get something that we want. So right here, highlights, contrast, like so, and exposure. Okay, that's good to me. Increase the vibrance, etc. Right, so from here, I'm gonna take my brush tool and I'm just going to paint on these areas like so. Add some glow, as you can see. There, dodge, and now we have something like this. Alright, I'm gonna add a little outline because why not? So here we go. Let's see how this looks. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, I like it, actually. It's pretty cool. Okay, so this is what we have. This is from an old avatar that I made for somebody else. I'm just taking a look to see if there's certain effects I could add from here too. Maybe like this one would be pretty cool. Looks pretty good. Alright, so yeah, that is going to be it for this video. This is going to be our new avatar channel icon from now on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's see what else I could do actually. One last thing I suppose I could do is I could make some little shadows onto the clothing here, like this. Like that. I think that looks pretty good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, join our Discord. Link is going to be down below. And yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.